change the aspect ratio on a video in CapCut. So when you open CapCut and you automatically go to a video, you can see this video here is going to fill the full screen. But we can change the aspect ratio to fit different platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. There are two ways you can do it. The first way is you are going to be clicked off of the video, and then on the bottom bar right here, you are going to scroll to where it says aspect ratio. You can then click through the different aspect ratios, and it is going to automatically adjust to whatever aspect ratio you choose. And there are preset ones for Instagram, YouTube, that way you can see what fits what. Or what you can also do as well is click on the video itself and then just pinch with your fingers the video. So if you wanted to zoom in or zoom out, you can then change that aspect ratio on the video by doing that.